Welcome back to a new video, everyone. Today, we're going to a coffee shop. I want to order a simple drink. I want to pay at the counter. I want to wait for my coffee. And then I want to enjoy the first sip. Nothing too difficult today. Just a normal coffee shop visit. But in real life, this small situation is very useful. We're going to describe the whole process in simple, easy-to-understand English. You'll learn how to talk about drinks. You'll learn how to order at the counter. You'll learn how to say for here or to go. And you'll learn how to describe the whole coffee shop experience. This video is part of my Daily Life Immersion series. It is designed to help you describe your daily activities in English. All right, let's get started. It's a quiet morning. I'm walking down the street, and I see a small coffee shop on the corner. The sign outside says fresh coffee. Through the window, I can see a few people sitting inside. Some people are talking with friends. Some people are working on their laptops. And one person is reading a book by the window. I open the door and walk in. A small bell rings above the door. Right away, I can smell fresh coffee. The coffee shop feels warm and cozy. There are small wooden tables. There are soft lights. And there are a few green plants near the wall. I look around for a second. Then I walk toward the counter. There is a big menu on the wall behind the counter. I look up and read the drink names. There are many choices. Hot coffee, iced coffee, latte, cappuccino, Americano, tea, and hot chocolate. I'm not sure what I want at first. I usually drink hot coffee, but today the weather is a little warm. So I think maybe I should get something cold. I look at the menu again. An iced latte sounds good. An iced latte is cold. It is smooth, and it is not too strong. That sounds perfect for today. Now I need to choose the size. They have small, medium, and large. I don't want too much coffee, but I also don't want a small cup. So I decide to get a medium iced latte. Now it's my turn. The barista smiles at me from behind the counter.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a medium iced latte, please?
Sure. Would you like it sweetened?
Just a little sweet, please.
Of course. For here or to go?
To go, please.
Great. Can I have your name?
Yes, it's Leo.
Perfect. That'll be $5.25.
Okay, thank you. That was a simple order. I didn't need to use difficult English. I just said what I wanted. I said what size I wanted, and I said whether I wanted it for here or to go. At a coffee shop, you can usually start with, can I get? For example, can I get a medium iced latte, please? Can I get a small coffee, please? Can I get a hot tea, please? It sounds polite, natural, and very common. The barista turns the small screen toward me. I can see the price on the screen. I take out my phone. I use my phone to pay. I tap my phone on the card reader. The payment goes through. The screen says approved. The barista gives me a small receipt. I take the receipt and say thank you. Then I move to the side of the counter. Now I need to wait for my drink. I stand near the pickup area. There are a few people waiting too. One woman is waiting for a cappuccino. A man is waiting for 2 iced coffees. Another person is waiting for a sandwich and a drink. Behind the counter, the baristas are moving quickly. One barista is making espresso. Another barista is adding milk. Another one is putting ice into a plastic cup. I hear the sound of the coffee machine. I hear milk steaming. I hear cups moving on the counter. The coffee shop is busy, but it still feels calm. I look at my phone for a minute. Then I hear my name. I look up. My drink is ready. I walk to the pickup area. The barista puts my iced latte on the counter. I pick up the cup. It feels cold in my hand. There is ice inside, and the milk and coffee are mixed together. The drink looks really good. I take a straw. I put it into the cup, and I take my first sip. It tastes smooth, cold, and just a little sweet. That is exactly what I wanted. I walk toward the door with my drink. Before I leave, I look back at the coffee shop. It's still busy. People are talking. People are typing. People are reading. And people are drinking coffee. I open the door and step outside. The morning air feels fresh. I take another sip of my iced latte as I walk down the street. It's a small part of my day, but it feels nice. Sometimes a simple cup of coffee can make the morning better. All right, now I have my coffee. Let's go over some really useful words and expressions from today's story. I grouped them into a few categories to make them easier to remember and actually use. Group 1. Coffee shop words. Coffee shop. A coffee shop is a place where you can buy coffee, tea, and small snacks. Some people go there to meet friends. Some people go there to work or study. Example, I stop by a coffee shop every morning. Barista. A barista is the person who makes coffee drinks at a coffee shop. A barista can make lattes, cappuccinos, iced coffee, and many other drinks. Example, the barista made my drink very quickly. Menu. A menu shows the food and drinks you can order. In a coffee shop, the menu is often on the wall behind the counter. Example, I looked at the menu before I ordered. Counter. The counter is the place where you order and pay. In many coffee shops, you walk up to the counter to place your order. I walked up to the counter and ordered a coffee. Group 2. Ordering drinks. Can I get? Can I get is a very common and natural way to order something. It is polite and easy to use. Can I get a medium iced latte, please? You can also say, can I get a small coffee, please? Can I get a hot tea, please? Can I get a bottle of water, please? Medium. Medium means not small and not large. It is the middle size. I'll have a medium coffee, please. Iced latte. An iced latte is a cold coffee drink with milk and ice. It is usually smooth and not too strong. I ordered an iced latte because the weather was warm. Sweetened. If a drink is sweetened, it has sugar or syrup in it. If you don't want sugar, you can say unsweetened, please. Would you like it sweetened? Group 3. Useful coffee shop questions. What can I get for you? This is a very common question at a coffee shop or restaurant. It means, what would you like to order? Example, the barista smiled and asked, What can I get for you? For here or to go? This is a very useful question. For here means you will drink it inside the coffee shop. To go means you will take it with you. Example, for here or to go? To go, please. Can I have your name? At many coffee shops, they ask for your name. They write your name on the cup. Then they can call you when your drink is ready. Example, the barista asked, "Can I have your name?" That'll be. That'll be is a common way to tell someone the price. For example, that'll be $5.25. Example, the barista said, that'll be $5.25.
Group 4. Paying and picking up. Tap my phone to pay. This means using your phone to pay by touching it to the card reader. Many people pay this way now. Example, I tapped my phone to pay. The payment goes through. If the payment goes through, it means the payment is successful. Example, the payment went through and the screen said approved. Pickup area. The pickup area is the place where you get your drink after ordering. You order at the counter. Then you wait near the pickup area. Example, I waited near the pickup area for my drink. My drink is ready. You can say this when your coffee, tea, or other drink is finished and waiting for you. Example, my drink is ready, so I walk to the counter.
Group 5. Bonus expressions. Take a sip. To take a sip means to drink a small amount. You don't drink the whole drink. You just drink a little. Example, I took a sip of my iced latte. Stop by. Stop by means to visit a place for a short time. It is very useful for daily life. Example, I stopped by a coffee shop before work. Exactly what I wanted. This means something is perfect for you. It is just right. Example, this iced latte is exactly what I wanted. A small part of my day. This means something is not a big event, but it is still part of your daily life. Example, buying coffee is a small part of my day. That's a full English walkthrough of ordering coffee at a coffee shop. Today, we learned how to walk into a coffee shop.
We learned how to look at the menu. We learned how to order a drink. We learned how to choose the size. We learned how to say for here or to go. We learned how to pay with a phone. We learned how to wait near the pickup area. And we learned how to enjoy the first sip. Now I've got a question for you. What do you usually order at a coffee shop? Do you like hot coffee or iced coffee? Do you usually drink your coffee there or do you take it to go? Let me know in the comments. Also, try leaving a comment using one of today's expressions. For example, can I get a medium iced latte, please? Or, I usually take my coffee to go. Or, I like to stop by a coffee shop in the morning. I'll reply to you in English. And if you want to support this channel and help me make more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.